red color, yellow color, sky blue color, black color, green color, and dark blue color. Kids, now you draw one and use red color. Red color. One, two, three, four, five, six. Kids, now you draw seven. The numbers of seven and use yellow color. Yellow color. Seven, 8, 9, 10. Kids, now you draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use sky blue color. 11, 12, 13, 14. Kids, now you draw 15. The numbers of 15 and use black color. 15, 16, 17, 18. It's now you draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use green color. 19, 20, 21. It's now you draw 22. The numbers of 22 and use dark blue color. 22, 23, 24, 25. Kids, now you draw 26. The numbers of 26 and use red color. Red color. 26, 27, 28, 29, and dark blue color, black color, red color, purple color, orange color, green color, gray color, yellow color, yellow ochre color, and pink color. Kids, now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E, the alphabets of E, and use blue color. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. Kids, now you draw H and use pink color. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. It's now you draw L and use black color. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. It's now you draw O and use green color. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. It's now you draw S and use purple color. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. It's now you draw V and use orange color. V for van. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.